Hello everyone, hi, this is Weltha. Okay you guys, so this is a video that I just want to showcase all of my pasta recipes. So I will just be showing all of the pasta recipes that I have already cooked on my show. So you guys can check them out, and whichever pasta recipe you like, you can pick one and try it out, you guys. They're all delicious, all of them. These are my first two are the most recent ones, okay? So that one is my pasta seafood. And then I have my chicken Alfredo. And I have my triple meat lasagna. And I also have a vegetarian lasagna. Yes, they're so delicious, you guys. Check out my recipes. You're gonna love it. And I also have let's see what the next recipe is gonna be. Excuse me. Gonna be my seafood pasta. Oh my God, that's so delicious. And I made some spaghetti bowls. And I have my mac and cheese with bacon. And again, you have my triple. And these are all of my pasta recipes, you guys. So please check them out, and I'm sure there is one pasta recipe that you will love as much as I do. Okay? And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you. And please check out all of my pasta recipes. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Oh, and please don't forget to subscribe.